Hello friends, I am Deepak Mohabia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today 21st June 2020, Father's Day as well as International Yoga Day. Today morning my son woke up me to say Happy Father's Day. He gave me handmade card, gifts. Then I thought what would be the best return gift to the child, and comes the idea of this video. So let me directly take you to the 5 points which I feel is very important, which you should give to your child as return gift to them on this Father's Day. Very first thing, financial stability until child is studying. Every parent wants well-being of their family, but when it comes to execution, there are many who actually postpone the thing. For the financial stability of family, child, it is really important that every parent should have life insurance, health insurance and accidental insurance. Here no need to tell about the description of what it means when I say life insurance or health insurance or accidental insurance. Critical is life insurance. Everyone should have at least one term life insurance, and the duration of that life insurance should be up till child is studying. Why I am saying term insurance? Because as compared to other endowment life insurance policy, term life insurance policy only provides life cover, nothing else. So insurance premium is less because there is no maturity benefit on life insurance plan. So if you do not have these 3 policies, I would suggest you to buy it to bring financial stability to your family, particularly to the child. Second point, this is also important. No financial burden during your old age. As a parent, we expect so many things from our child. We expect them that they will support when we will need them. Here I would say it is old philosophy. Now times are changing, and it is critically important that every parent should think about their old age. It means there should not be any financial burden to the child when you will become old. How this can be done? So for that, very simple. You need to plan your retirement now. So when you are going to retire, at that time you should have sufficient money so that you can live your retirement life peacefully without being dependent on your child. It is good for you, and at the same time it is helpful to your child because they will be financially free. They can think of what they want to do. It is not that they must need to work something so that they can support himself, his family and parents. So do your retirement planning today. Third, savings for child higher education. This is also important. If child want to pursue higher education, at that time, there will be many possibilities that child can take education loan and can go for higher studies. Ideally, this should be the way. But if it is possible to contribute something on that, so not 100% child should go for education loan. Rather, as a parents can also support something, contribute something, and that is possible only if there is proper investment planning. So investment planning for long-term goal like higher education for the child or maybe for their marriage. But here important is there has to be some or other investment planning should start today so that it can contribute something when child wants. Then comes point 4, emotional maturity. As a parent, we expect too many things from our child. Not all childs are same. Some are good in sports, some are good in education, some are good in some other thing. But most of the time it happens that parent expects them to study hard, and for that they put too much pressure on them. And in India particularly, we know the cases. So this emotional maturity is required at parent level to tell their child to accept things, but do not take tension or do not take pressure. In study, if their marks are not so good, fine, motivate them, but not pressurize them. most of the time discuss with them, telling that there are many ways, but important is to put your best effort and then do not get disturbed with the results. Definitely there will be some or other thing for them. As a suggestion, I can say practice yoga to accept the things as it is. Yoga will definitely help. Since today is International Yoga Day, here I would like to tell Ashtanga Yoga. It is really important and everyone should follow, and it should be in habit, and child should know all this since beginning. First is Yam, second is Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. Take time to know more about this. I will tell you, it will change your life and your child life too. And the fifth one is time. Yes, time. This would be one of the best return gift to your child. I will tell you, when you will spend time with your child, you will get to know too many things. And what all is needed, that also you will get to know when you will spend time with them. So let me repeat again the 5 points. One is financial stability until child is studying. Second, no financial burden during your old age. Third, savings for child higher education. Fourth, emotional maturity. And fifth is your time. I hope friends you will also follow it and give your child best return gift for their life as well as your life. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more insights on topics related to investments, retirement planning, government schemes, insurance, and many more. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.